In today's digital dominated world, the landscape of remote work redefines our professional existence. Yet, navigating this new terrain introduces challenges, testing team resilience and leadership efficacy. Issues range from isolation due to diverse time zones to hurdles in maintaining clear, efficient communication, consequently straining productivity and team morale. By delving into these challenges, we explore not only the industry wide impact, but also the seeds of innovation and growth sprouting from adversity. Understanding remote work dynamics paves our first step toward converting obstacles into opportunities, demonstrating how appropriate tools, strategies, and a mindset shift can turn remote work from a complexity into a strength, setting the stage for a narrative of overcoming. In the digital era's core, managing remote teams emerges as a challenge, yet ripe with solutions. Envision a transformation where remote work shifts from a complexity to a model of efficiency. This segment reveals keys to such success. Initially, we focus on communication tools that bridge global team gaps, enhancing collaboration to mimic physical office presence. Utilizing real time messaging apps and project management software becomes the heartbeat of distant teams, proving geography only a minor obstacle. Next, we explore strategic measures to elevate productivity. Structured check ins, flexible hours, and virtual team bonding, nurturing a culture of accountability and unity. The foundation of this transformation, however, lies in a well crafted remote work policy, providing the clarity and direction needed for success. Transitioning, we'll see how these tools and strategies not only address immediate challenges, but also unlock long term organizational gains, hinting at a promising future in remote work adoption. In an era where remote work defines our professional landscape, true success transcends mere challenge resolution, embracing the rich, long lasting benefits. The right remote team management approach unveils potentials like enhanced morale and productivity, echoing global organizations' tales of efficiency and spirit boosts. Beyond ephemeral gains lie profound, lasting advantages: healthier work life balances, global talent attraction, and reduced operational costs, encapsulating the future of adept remote work environments. As this chapter concludes, let the shared successes inspire us toward maximizing team potential, regardless of their physical locale, fostering a resilient, adaptable, and thriving organizational blueprint.